Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube video timestamps the easy way. Why YouTube timestamps matter. 1. Boost search rankings. Adding timestamps can help your videos rank higher in search results. 2. Organize long videos. They make it easier for viewers to find specific sections. 3. Improve viewer retention. They keep people from clicking away by guiding them through your content smoothly. Steps to add timestamps. 1. Head over to your YouTube studio and pick the video you want to edit. 2. Click the pencil icon to open the video editor. 3. In the description box, start adding your timestamps in this format. Minute point second description. Pro tip: using keywords in your timestamps can improve your video's visibility on YouTube search. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate this entire process using AI, so you can save time without typing each timestamp manually. Don't forget to check out the next video on your screen right now.